Hello everyone, welcome back and welcome to today's tutorial. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by to check on my content. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new tutorial, you'll be among the first people to be notified. On today's video, we're going to crochet a headband for a baby between 1 and 3 years old. And with me here is a standard measurement chart that I use for different projects and for different sizes. So for 1 to 3 years old, the head circumference is 18 to 19 inches. So into our today's tutorial, we need some yarn. Since it's not a big project, I'll need just this. A crochet hook, this size 4.5 millimeter, a darning needle to weave in the ends, a pair of scissors, a tape measure. So to start, you're going to make a foundation chain that measures 18 inches and it can stretch up to 19 inches. So make a slip knot and make chains that measures 18 inches. So I'll make 78 chains. So those are 2, 3, 4, 5 until you have enough chains. Okay, so we have 78 chains. But remember, our tensions are different, so make chains as you measure to confirm if they give you 18 to 19 inches. So I'm going to confirm this with a measuring tape. So from this point to the other point, okay, it's 18 and it can stretch up to 19. When stretched, it goes up to 19 inches. So the next step is to join the two ends. So make sure your chains are not twisted. Insert your hook in the very first chain and make a slip stitch. Like that. So for round 1, chain 2, these 2 chains do not count as a stitch. Go into the first chain and make a double crochet. So a double crochet, you grab yarn, insert your hook in the chain, grab yarn. You have 3 loops on your hook, grab yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab yarn and pull through the 2 loops again. So into the next chain, you're going to make another double crochet. Into the next, a double crochet. And that is all you're going to do for round 1 to the end, making 1 double crochet in every chain. And I'll meet you at the end to show you the next step. Okay, so continue making 1 double crochet and I'll meet you at this point. So we've come to the end of round 1. You're going to complete with a slip stitch in the very first stitch. So you skip these 2 chains and go into the first 2 loops and make a slip stitch. Okay, and so far this is what we have. Next round, chain 2, 1, 2, grab yarn and go through the first post and make a front post double crochet. The next back post double crochet. So back post, you go through the back, then to the front, then back, make a back post double crochet. Next is a front post double crochet. Next is a back post double crochet. So we are going to alternate back post, front post and back post double crochet to the end of this round. So the next one is a front post, next a back post, next is a front post double crochet, next a back post. So continue like that to the end of this round. We complete round 2 with a back post double crochet and join in the very first stitch with a slip stitch. And for round 3 to round 5, we are going to repeat what we've done in round 2. So chain 2 and make a front post double crochet in the previous front post double crochet. So insert your hook through the front post and make a front post double crochet. The next stitch is a back post double crochet, so you're going to make a back post double crochet. So go through the back, front, then back, grab yarn and make a back post double crochet. The next front post double crochet. Next is a back post double crochet. Next is a front post double crochet. Next a back post double crochet. So continue making front post and back post double crochets for round 3, and when you're done with round 3, repeat the same for round 4 and 5, and I'll meet you at the end of round 5 to show you the next step. So I'm doing the last stitch of round 5, which is the back post double crochet. So I'll insert my hook from the back to the front, then back, grab yarn and make a double crochet, then join with a slip stitch in the very first stitch to complete this round. And yeah, up to this point, this is how our headband looks like. It stretches. So yeah, one thing I like about this stitch, the front post and back post, is so textured and stretches out. Yeah, so slip stitch into the next, chain 1, then tighten, then cut your yarn and pull that loop. Then we're going to use a yarn needle to weave in this tail. So I'll turn it inside out. And at this point, I'm going to introduce something, a flower. So here, this one, to give it a beautiful look. Okay. It's a puff stitch flower. I have this tutorial in the channel, so I'll leave the link to this flower tutorial in the description box so that you can go and check it out. So the only thing I'm going to do is to pass this needle to the front and attach the flower like this. Yeah. Then back to the wrong side. So I'm going to repeat until I'm sure that it's well secured. Yeah, and that is all for this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed up to this point. Please give this video a like, share, and leave a sweet comment in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new tutorial, you'll be notified. So yeah, we are done, guys, and this is our headband. Yeah, so until next tutorial, bye.